Hey guys, look and take, look and so. Make banana buns. Yummy! First, peel oven for 350. Get 4 red bananas. You. One cup of melted butter. Okay. Mix you together. No. Yeah. Mix together. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beat 1 egg. Let's mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 pinch of salt. And 1/2 cup of flour. Okay. Mix that. Add mini chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Whoa. Spray your pan. Bake at 350 for 1 hour. Thanks for watching us for today. We hope you have a good time. Perfecto mundo. Melta butter. Not too butter.